Hi guys, Flexpipe 101, Esteban here, and today we're going to continue talking about the Flexpipe Creator extension tools. So, we've already made videos regarding the first Show Preferences dialog tool as well as the Suppress Face Creation tool. So, if you need any more information regarding those two particular tools, go ahead and check out those videos. And so by basically using those two tools now, we have come to this point in the drawing in our wireframe, and we are ready to turn this wireframe into a tube and joint structure. So the first thing I want to do as a wireframe is go ahead and save this wireframe so that I can always go back to this wireframe, and we will see why in a moment. So now we can go ahead and generate pipes and connectors. So let's go ahead and click that there, which is the little rocket icon. And here we go. So for this example here, we've created a little flow rack where you can feed in perhaps some boxes that will then again get returned the other way around with a 3-inch slope on our roller tracks. So we've generated the wireframe, and now next to the generate pipes and connectors there is a tool that says check for conflicts between connectors. So that is going to check for anything that is overlapping something else, right? So if the two joints were overlapping each other, if there's roller tracks that are overlapping connectors, then this is the button that is going to allow you to know. So we'll click on this here, and here we go, right? So as the example goes, we have 8 conflicts found, and it says all connectors that are part of a conflict have been added to the selection. So let's see what that issue is right there. So we can see that they have been highlighted, and we can see that basically we have that same issue all around in all the 4 corners in the bottom, in the middle, as well as the top. So if we look at this from our front view and we zoom in, we can see that there is an overlapping issue with the roller track and the joint. So let's go ahead and how do we fix that? Well, we know the problem is there. So we can go back to that wireframe. We can revert, right, because we saved that original structure. And we can go ahead and adjust the roller tracks that need to be adjusted. So in this case, from our front view, we know that it's going to be, let's move them over about a 1/4 of an inch on the left side, and we'll move them, and we'll select those two, and we'll move them over a 1/4 of an inch as well. And then once again, what do? We go ahead and save this, and we'll go ahead and generate it once again, and we'll see if the conflict has been fixed. So front view again. Let's zoom in, and we can see now that there is space between the joints and the roller tracks. So we'll click on the check for conflicts between connectors, and we see that we have no conflicts found. So that is how you use the conflict icon as well as the generate pipes and connectors icon. So that's it for these two particular tools, and we'll see you next time for the next set of tools.